Okay, guys, this is JL Fishing. Here's Jack. How'd you say hi?
Hi, guys.
Okay.
Today
and
we're
I'm
launching
here.
this
Rocket. This glow rocket thingy. And we're at Jack's house. And
it is
we're
dark outside.
Yes, it is pitch black.
And guess what, guys? It's only like 7 o'clock.
Yeah. And it's Saturday night. Or no, not Saturday night. What am I thinking?
night.
Yeah, Friday night.
And it's only like, here, guys.
Oh, there's a car.
Let me see the phone.
Okay, what?
Let's see.
Yes.
Guys, it is only 7:31.
Yeah, it is. Just
7:31. So here you go.
Okay, I'll take this back. How are we going?
And guys, we're about to launch this.
Okay, let's do
Let's
this.
turn this light off.
Okay, I'm gonna get ready. Oh, this is so hard.
What the car's doing.
Why am I a bad cameraman?
Guys, hold on. There's a car coming.
Oh, there's a car. See,
It's literally,
I'm zooming in,
it's
Jeff.
literally just chilling there.
I just zoomed in. It's so bright. And the footage looks so bad.
Anyway,
Let's launch this thing! Yeah! We were just inside playing Fortnite. I just got excited.
we're about to launch this.
Okay, the car.
Is that a
Lights.
white van? Oh God.
Oh God, let's just get out. No, let's get out. There's literally a white van. I don't know if you guys see it.
I'm freaking running. Guys, if this is some weirdos, guys, that's a white van.
Do you see that white van?
Oh God.
It's right.
What are they doing?
It's right
Where
there.
are they going? Okay, they're not coming towards us.
Okay, let's just get ready to launch this thing because this is gonna be freaking sick. Okay, let's do this. It's not really cold. Oh.
They're taking me down.
Okay, good. This is the footage. Okay.
I don't want to break my thumb. I'm trying not to.
You won't break your thumb. Just do it.
I'm about to do it.
What did you do? I went to go up and you freaking messing up. You suck.
Guys, I'm bad.
You suck. You're terrible. Oh my God. How bad are you? Take the camera. Let me try. Freaking take the camera. Oh, I did it! And it's failed. Jack, just take the freaking camera.
It's my turn. Guys, it didn't go very far.
My turn. I show how it's done.
I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah, that was so crazy.
There it goes.
The funny thing is we're still in our school clothes.
I'm not. I changed.
You changed? Oh yeah, you did.
I'm in my Fortnite shirt. Oh, and there that sucker goes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pass the phone to Lucas.
No, do it war.
No. Dude, take the phone. Lucas, take the phone.
That almost hit Jack's head. That was like, it went like this. That was awesome. That was awesome. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Let's go get it. Right. It's right. That was fun. That was really good. What are you going to say about that, Jack?
It landed on someone else's property.
Oh, yeah, that's not good. Let's go. Let's run. Let's run. Should we go Should we go inside and play Fortnite? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's so hard when it's moving so fast. I can't run. So tight. Oh, there's a car. Okay, there's a car. There's a car. Okay, yeah.
Where's they going?
SUV here. Yeah, there's an SUV coming.
Close out this video. Hope you enjoyed.
This is
We got
awesome.
a rocket.
There's a rocket.
Safely.
Did you break it?
No, it's still good.
Oh.
Next time.
Bye.